guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some pumpkin fudge. I'm really excited to make this. It's a super easy recipe with only 5 ingredients. So, let's get baking.
First thing we're going to do is add 3.5 cups of white chocolate chips into a microwave safe bowl, and to that we're going to add 14 ounces, 1 can of condensed milk. We're going to microwave this for about a minute or 2, depending on how hot your microwave runs, for 30-second intervals until melted completely. And you'll want to stir it each time you take it out of the microwave to make sure that it's fully incorporated and that the chocolate doesn't burn. Once your white chocolate is melted, you're going to add in a 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add in a pinch of salt because you forgot that was in the recipe. Now you're going to prepare an 8-inch pan by lining it with parchment paper, and then you're going to spray it down with cooking spray just to make sure that the fudge doesn't stick to it and it's easy to come out.
So here's the final product. It is really nice looking fudge. It's kind of sticky, so that's a warning. It was kind of hard to get out of the pan. Even though I sprayed it, it was like sticking to itself, and it was a little difficult to cut, but we have it now. It's really nice. It's a lot of white chocolate taste, but I also taste the condensed milk. There isn't a lot of pumpkin, honestly. I don't taste a lot of pumpkin. To be fair, there was not a lot of pumpkin. But I think it's good. It's sweet. It's definitely sweet. If you wanted to taste, like really taste like pumpkin fudge, you should probably add more pumpkin puree to it. But I think it's really good. But that would be the only change I would make. But that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I feel like a cow. Shoot. No, you're gonna eat more. My director's hungry. And that's his pay.
Alright.
Are you ready to bake?
Ito bag ko, kanya pala ng fly.
I lost a bird. I lost a bird who never learned to fly.
Be gentle. Be gentle with it. Or you can smash a hole in it. You have the weirdest sense of humor.